Hi, I'm Sierra. So, you're looking for a new home? I'm sure there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can't check them all off at Elmwood Cottages. Must-have number 1, low-maintenance yard. You won't need to spend your weekends mowing the lawn or pulling weeds because every home will have lawn maintenance included. Must-have number 2, one-level living with modern finishes. This community will consist of all one-level homes designed with your lifestyle in mind. You will appreciate the thought that went into each design: wider doorways, raised vanities, showers with seats, lowered light switches, and raised outlets. You'll love all of the details. And inside, you'll be able to choose from your favorite professionally designed finishes to match your style. We've hired interior designers for you. Select from professionally designed packages that give you the confidence that everything coordinates. Must-have number 3, convenient location. Elmwood Cottages is located 2 minutes to I-26 and I-85 access, making traveling to the North Carolina mountains or South Carolina beaches easy. And just 2 minutes away, you'll find all the essentials of life on Highway 9, Ingalls, Emergency MD, gyms, and more. Ready to live a low-maintenance lifestyle at Elmwood Cottages? If we've checked everything off your list, take the next step and join our VIP list. That way you'll get the latest in information and pricing before we open to the public. I can't wait to welcome you home.